Hi, I'm Cameron Humphreys with Humphreys Outdoor Power, and today I'm here with Nicholas, one of our gold certified mechanics, who's going to show us how to use one of the Stihl 2-in-1 files. Let's go dive in. All right, go ahead and walk us through.
Right here we have a 3/8 Pico chain. Came off of probably a 170, 171, 180. Demonstrate the use of the 2-in-1 file guide. Very simple. These bars here and the file itself line up basically to make sure you're getting the right angle and depth on everything that you need. The biggest benefit of the 2-in-1 file guide is the fact that it does the round file and the flat file on your depth gauges at the same time. Just line it up and push it through. Check, make sure you're sharp, and move on to your next chisel. Try to make sure you're taking the same amount of material off each chisel, so that way your cuts stay straight and even. You do not have to remove your chain from the chainsaw in order to do this, but our customers usually don't bring in the entire saw to get just the chain sharpened. If you notice here, we have a few lines here on our guide bars that are parallel with the actual body of the 2-in-1 file guide. Those are there to help you hold the correct angle for sharpening your chisel. There are instances in which you would want a steeper or more shallow angle, depending on the type of wood you're going through. But 90% of all use cases are going to want this angle right here.
Stihl has made it really easy to sharpen your chain with the 2-in-1 file, taking both the drags and sharpening the chisel at the same time with one foul swoop. So swing by your local Stihl dealership and pick one of these up. They're right around 50 bucks. One of the best ways to sharpen your file. Don't forget to subscribe to us and drop a like on the video. Thanks, have a great day.